Yes, dimensional analysis can be used for multi-step conversions by chaining multiple unit conversion factors. So units cancel step by step until you reach the desired units. Dimensional analysis works like a unit-based roadmap that keeps track of what you have and what you want, using conversion factors that equal 1. Imagine you want to go from meters to millimeters through centimeters. You write the units so they cancel. Meters times centimeters per meter times millimeters per centimeter. The meters cancel, then the centimeters cancel, and you are left with millimeters. Each conversion factor is chosen, so the top and bottom match the units you are trying to eliminate, and you can use as many factors as needed to move through intermediate units. It is important to carry the numbers and units together at every step, so you cannot lose track of what you are calculating. That way, the math checks itself because only the correct final unit will remain. Students often forget to write units with the numbers and then get confused when cancellation does not work. So always include units in every quantity. Another common mistake is flipping the conversion factor the wrong way, so units multiply instead of cancel. So check that the units you want to remove are opposite each other in a fraction. Finally, using too many unnecessary steps can cause arithmetic errors, so pick conversion paths that are direct and clear. If you are unsure, write each step on its own line and confirm units cancel each time. For more step-by-step videos and practice problems on chaining unit conversions, visit www.gumballdegree.com to find helpful resources and exercises.